Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And want to get some things updated here. Nice day here for the bulls. Nice recovery. Still a lot of work to do, but from where it was this morning, again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So this morning, the price had actually dropped down there, but once again, bounced off of that point right there. So there's definitely some support down here. But point being, price was down here, and then the price ultimately closed way up there. So all in all, good solid day. Does that mean that this thing's ready to head back up to, $2.80? I'm not saying that, but from where it started to where it ended, good solid day on the bulls' part. But again, more work to be done, and quote unquote work to be done can be quantified in this case as $1.60. That's where this red line comes into play. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but I've been talking about this as a level of resistance, and you can see, surprise, surprise, the price is essentially right at that area. So you have $1.60 that, if the price can get back above that and start to get some closes above it, that would be definitely a good step in the right direction. Still work to be done even after that point, but, just one thing at, one item off the checklist at a time. So getting up above and staying up above $1.60, definitely that next item on the checklist. One thing to keep an eye on, though, is not that far off, is going to be the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And that could very well act as resistance too. By no means am I saying it's going to go up there and get rejected back down to $1 or anything like that. But from a technical perspective, definitely, one of those moving averages and one of those technical indicators that you want to keep an eye on. But as far as today's price action was concerned, especially with the lows, bottomed out there, and then are working on putting in a higher stair step right there. So we'll see if the stair steps can continue to be built going on into tomorrow. But $1.60. Public enemy number one, support that you want to see continue to hold right here at $1.25, which price has done a good job of holding over the past couple of days. With a couple minor times, the price has been below it. So interesting setup. We'll see if the bulls are getting kind of prepared and bracing themselves for another move to the upside. We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.